Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be diving into trading price action with technical analysis. One of the most effective ways to read the market and make smarter trading decisions, okay? So if you've ever struggled with lagging indicators or confusing strategies, then this is the approach you need to master. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to analyze price action, spot high probability trade setups, and use technical analysis to confirm your entries and exits. So if you are serious about leveling up your trading game, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just get started real quick. Price action is simply the movement of price plotted over time. Instead of relying on indicators, price action traders analyze candlesticks, trends, and key levels to make informed decisions. So think of it as reading the market's language. Every candlestick tells a story, whether buyers are in control, sellers are taking over, or the market is indecisive. When combined with technical analysis, price action becomes even more powerful by identifying support and resistance, trend direction, and key chart patterns. You can make higher probability trades for that matter. Now let's just talk about some key elements of price action trading. One is support and resistance. These are price levels where the market has historically reacted. If price bounces off a level at least 2 times, it is a strong area of interest. Then let's talk about trend analysis. Understanding whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend or in a consolidation phase helps traders align their trades with a dominant momentum. Okay. Then let's talk about candlestick patterns. Patterns like engulfing candles, pin bars, dojis, they provide clues about potential reversals or continuations. Then with respect to market structure, higher highs and higher lows indicate an uptrend, while lower highs and lower lows indicate a downtrend. So recognizing these patterns helps traders to stay on the right side of the market. Then finally, it is important to have confluence with technical indicators. Okay, it is actually necessary. While price action is powerful on its own, confirming your trades with moving averages, for example, moving averages, trend lines, even Fibonacci levels, right? Even Fibonacci levels. It can add an extra layer of confidence when you confirm your trades with these tools. Okay, so now how do you use technical analysis with price action? The first step is to identify key levels. All right, identify your key levels. Start by marking support and resistance zones on your chart. If you want to do that, go to a higher time frame first. Okay, you can go to the daily time frame and mark the important levels where price got rejected at least 2 times. At least 2 times. You can see here it was rejected twice. Here it was rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 times. Here 1, 2, 3. Here it was rejected about 1, 2, 2 times. Here it was rejected. Okay, here it was rejected here and here 2 times. You can see here it was rejected at least twice again. So mark those important levels on your chart. Okay, these are areas where price has reacted multiple times in the past. Then the next step is to analyze the trend. You can use higher time frames also, like 4 hours or daily charts, to determine the overall trend direction. Trading with the trend improves your chances of success. So in this case, we can see that we are currently in a downtrend, right? So once you identify the trend, then you trade in the direction of the trend. Okay. Then the next thing is to look for candlestick patterns. When price reaches a key level, watch out for candlestick formations that indicate buying or selling pressure. For example, if you find a bullish engulfing like what we had here at a support, it could be a strong buy signal, and you can see that the price continued rising all the way up. Then the next thing for you to do is to confirm with technical indicators. You can use a moving average, for example, to check if price is respecting the trend. And you can see that the price got rejected around this moving average, and it continued going up in this example. You can also use Fibonacci retracement. You can see this Fibonacci level was respected. Okay, let's just do another Fibonacci retracement to confirm this. So you can see that the price actually got close to the I think this should be the 61.8%. Yeah, you can see the price got to the 61.8% Fibonacci zone and it got rejected. Right, so it's important to check these tools for confirmations. Then the next thing for you to do is to execute your trade. Once you have confluence, multiple signals, saying the same thing, when you have multiple signals aligning, you can place your trade with proper risk management. Set your stop loss just below the support for a buy trade, or above resistance for a sell trade. Okay. Now, we're also going to talk about some common mistakes to avoid. When using this strategy. The first is ignoring the trend. Always trade in the direction of the dominant trend. In a sell trend, look for sell opportunities. In a buy trend, look for buy opportunities. Okay? Unless if there is a strong reversal confirmation. Secondly, do not rely on a single indicator. Okay? Technical indicators should support your price action analysis, not replace it. It is very important. Next, on no account should you trade without a plan. Trading without a plan is like a ticking time bomb. Every trade should have a clear entry, stop loss, and take profit level based on logical market structure. And you should do this analysis before you enter the trade. You should have your exit points in mind, your entry point in mind before you enter the trade. Your risk to reward ratio in mind before you enter the trade. It's very, very important. Okay? Now, mastering price action with technical analysis takes practice, but once you understand how to read the market, you will gain a huge advantage as a trader. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies. Also, comment below what is your favorite price action setup. Let us discuss. In the meantime, happy trading, and I hope to see you in the next video.